check if that's, I believe that's. What is up guys, it's Joseph here and I'm going to be doing my first ever unboxing, and this little baby just arrived yesterday. It is the Sony A6400 and I bought the kit lens. The price is actually 1,899 NZD if I purchased this one on the regular price, but I got this one for about $400 off. I bought this one for around 1,500 and I think it's a pretty good deal. It was during the White Tiny Day sale, and I think it was really a good deal, as I said. And so saying that, this is going to be my first unboxing. Let's do this one. This is just everything on auto exposure. I think the autofocus
Going
is really
Vietnamese
good.
tonight.
At least you can see if your face is in focus. Yeah, our faces are in focus, and they recognize that it's a face. Dean, can you say Valentine's?
Valentine's!
You're not going to touch it. You're just going to have a look at it. Okay?
How about the other one? The other one so that we can make it balance. Oh no! Where's your teeth? Where's your tooth? There are so many teeth involved. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching the unboxing of the Sony A6400. And with regards to the specs, I'm going to put them up there. But anyway, you guys can see them on their website. And yeah, you have to know that I actually came from using a Canon M50 for more than 2 months. I sold it to buy this Sony A6400, and I do hope I made the right choice. I believe this is just a better choice for me to grow more with my skills and knowledge in photography and videography. And by all means, I am not a professional photographer or videographer. I bought this camera for personal use, for casual use, and I do have a YouTube channel. That's why I'm doing this right now, and I'm just really interested to learn more about this camera, and hopefully I made the right decision. What do you guys think? Is the Sony A6400 definitely better than the Canon M50? You can post your comments down below. And if you guys have any more questions, again, you can share your thoughts there, and I will see you in the next video. Peace!